Namaste, friends. As we are discussing about different digestive conditions we all undergo, today I would like to discuss about the digestive condition of an individual who frequently snacks on food. So basically, he just enjoys and loves food. He won't consider what his age is or what type of food is available. He just loves to snack on them. So he is 50 years old, but then he won't bother about his age. He will just snack on even what little kids eat, like cakes, cookies, and pizzas, whatnot. Any junk you can imagine, he will just enjoy them. So it's good to enjoy food, but there should be a limitation, right? We should consider our age, the time we are consuming the foods. So basically, he keeps on snacking throughout the day. He'll be working in a room and then frequently comes for a snack. He just walks around the dining table or where the snacks are kept. So, as and when he just comes and takes a break from his work, just snacks on these food items. We should give a gap, right? The digestive system has to continuously work if we keep on eating foods like this. And the individual won't even know what real hunger is. Because as the food is being continuously eaten and it is undergoing that churning and digestion is happening, there is continuously acids being released, right? And also the food won't get digested properly due to frequent eating. There are no acids left in the stomach to digest that food. So we end up in having acidity symptoms because the food doesn't get digested properly. There will be these gases being formed. The undigested food just remains there, and again, when we put the fresh food, it all just gets mixed up and a lot of mess happening within our digestive system. So, it's best to have a gap between foods, an interval giving some rest to our digestive system, right? So we should maintain gap between foods, and also if we want to eat any junk foods also, just consume them occasionally, not like a kid frequently snacking on them every day, every hour, like that. So it's actually a big burden for our digestive system and the liver to process such junk foods. All the foods that are filled with sugars and fats, it becomes very difficult for the digestive system to process it. Regularly, we can keep a gap between meals, like 4 to 5 hours minimum gap. This way, you will help your own digestive system, and once our digestive system is corrected, our food gets properly absorbed. Whatever we consume will get absorbed. But this individual who is continuously feeding and putting on all the kinds of junks and even other food items, regular food items, is not going to digest his food properly, and whatever he eats is just coming out. Like he has the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, where he consumes food, but then within 2 to 3 hours he just passes the stool, where nothing got absorbed, just it keeps the body keeps throwing it out because the food is not getting digested properly. So please consume food only when you're hungry. Allow and experience that hunger first, and then go for it. So this way we are going to help our digestive system and our whole body. Thank you all so much.